Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a motivational YouTube channel, including how to create your channel avatar, write an SEO-friendly description, and choose the best tags for growth. If your channel is about motivation, personal growth, self-improvement, or inspiration, this guide is for you. Step 1. Creating your channel avatar. To design your avatar, here's what you can do. Go to ChatGPT or WhiskLab and paste in this English prompt. Give me 5 English prompts to generate a YouTube channel avatar. The channel's theme is about motivation, inspiration, personal growth, and positive mindset. Requirements: 5 different styles, for example, realistic, minimalist, modern graphic style, documentary style, and fantasy style. The avatar must not contain any text, should be clear, high quality, and suitable as a YouTube channel logo. Once you paste it, the AI will give you several creative prompts you can use to generate images for free. Once you have all the prompts ready, go to Google and search for the WhiskLab tool in the search bar to find it. Go to WhiskLab and paste each prompt to generate the images. Review the results and choose the one you like best. If you're using WhiskLab, make sure to set the image ratio to 1:1, that's the best size for a YouTube avatar. Step 2. Writing an SEO-optimized channel description. Next, you'll want a short and inspiring description that helps people and search engines understand your channel. Here's the English command you can give ChatGPT. Write a YouTube channel description in English for me. The channel's theme is about motivation, inspiration, personal growth, and mindset development. The description should be concise, about 150 to 200 words, easy to read, inspiring, SEO-friendly, and include keywords such as motivation, inspirational videos, personal growth, self-improvement, daily motivation, and positive mindset. This will create a perfect description that attracts your target audience and boosts your discoverability on YouTube. Label Step 3. Adding channel tags. Now let's talk about channel tags. These are keywords that tell YouTube what your channel is about. They're not visible to viewers, but they help your videos reach the right audience. Then ask ChatGPT to provide you with the best channel tags for this topic. Here's a great tag list for this theme. Motivation, inspiration, personal growth, self-improvement, positive mindset, daily motivation, inspirational speeches, success mindset, motivational videos, confidence, mental strength, discipline, resilience, positive thinking, mindset mastery. To add these, open YouTube Studio, click Settings in the bottom left corner, select Channel, and under the Basic Info tab, you'll see the Keywords section. Paste your tags there, then click Save. That's it, your channel tags are now active. You can also create your banner image by asking ChatGPT to generate the best banner design for your channel. And that's how you can quickly set up a professional-looking motivational YouTube channel, with a custom avatar, an SEO-friendly description, and powerful keyword tags. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other creators who love motivation, inspiration, and self-improvement content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.